Hi everybody, today I wanted to do a comparison video between the Fawn Design full-size bag and the Azaria brand diaper bag. I'm actually going to pack them both up at the same time with the exact same things so you guys can see how they pack and which one will have more room in the end and so on and so forth. So let's get started. The Fawn Design, well, they're both faux leather. The Fawn Design is more textured, as you can see there. It's pebbled, it's textured, and the Azaria brand is smooth, a smoother texture. The Fawn Design has two side bottle pockets, a front slip pocket and a zippered pocket. It does not have a back slip pocket, and the backpack straps are not removable. The Azaria brand has two side pockets as well, a front slip pocket, a side zippered pocket there, and the back side does have a back slip pocket. The backpack straps are removable. You can slip them in here, and it does have a grab handle. I didn't mention this one, the Fawn Design, does not have a grab handle. And they both have D-rings on the side. Fawn Design has their name on there. I still have the plastic on mine. And this is what the Azaria looks like. It's just a regular D-ring. They both have messenger straps. I don't have them both here right now. I took them off for the purpose of the video, but you can attach them both on and both can be carried messenger style or over the shoulder. Okay, so let's start with how the bag opens. So you see the Azaria brand opens like this, all the way around, and they have a double zipper. So you're not finding one zipper, there's two of them. The Fawn Design is just a little bit more U-shaped, more curved, and only has the one zipper on the side. So with the Fawn, you have a pocket on the back side that's similar to the front pocket, and it also has that zipper there. It has two side pockets, and on the front of the bag there's two slip pockets as well. With the Azaria, you have a back zippered pocket there, a slip pocket that has a magnetic closure to keep things shut and secure in there. It has two side mesh pockets, and in the front, one large slip mesh pocket. Now for me, I don't find the Fawn Design inside mesh pockets to be tight or not functional. I can use them just fine, but with the Azaria, it is nicer to have that mesh pocket, and you know, with the elastic, and it keeps everything secure, it's stretchier, and because the mesh is a little bit see-through, you can see what you have in there a lot easier, so you don't have to dig around. You see what's exactly in that pocket. Now let's go with the size. I feel like the Fawn is a little bit bigger. If you look at the side, it's just a little bit wider, and it's slouchier for sure. It's really slouchy, whereas this one, it has a little bit more structure. It stands up on its own, and the side here is actually a little bit more slim than the Fawn Design. It's just a little bit more slim. I feel like it doesn't look gigantic on because it's a little bit slimmer. They're both really pretty bags. I just feel like the Azaria just looks a little bit more sleek to me, just because, I mean, their name is on the bottom corners, very understated. This is just really smooth, really nice. You don't see the hidden magnetic closure. It just looks really sleek. But let's be real, they're both really, really, really pretty bags. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't feel the difference in the weight. I don't find one to be lighter than the other. Maybe just by a hair. This one might be just a little bit lighter because the inside isn't faux leather all the way around like the Fawn is. So This one just a little bit, not by much. So now I'm going to pack them both up at the same time with the same things inside so you can see how they both pack. So we're gonna start with this zipper pocket here with the Fawn Design. And in there, I'm just going to put my lipsticks. And in this pocket here, I'm going to put my lipsticks on in this pocket here. And in this main slip pocket, I am going to put my wallet. I like to keep my wallet in here because it just feels a little bit more secure. I like to use smaller wallets, but you guys can see size comparison to that pocket. You could fit a full size in there just fine. And here in the same pocket, I have my phone. I'm just gonna slide that in there too. And the Azaria, gonna slide my phone in there. This one is full, can't squeeze anything else in there. I still have a lot more space in here that I could put more things in if I wanted to. Again, this one has a lot more space in the front pockets. Now the sides. I only have one bottle that I'm gonna put in each of them. I'm using the Munchkin 360. I'm gonna stick it on this pocket here. Slides down easily for the most part. And this one, another Munchkin 360, slide it in. Now let's get onto the inside of the bag. I'm gonna start with the diapers. Fawn Design. I'm using a Bumpkins, the largest case, 4 diapers in here, wipes, disposable changing pad, and a little baggie in there. And this guy, this pouch is not gonna fit in that back slip pocket, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slide it into the main compartment. Like this. The Azaria, same thing, the largest size Bumpkins, same amount of diapers, wipes, disposable changing pads, same thing. And I like to keep mine in that slip pocket right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Slide it down in there. And snack pouches. This will just go again in the main compartment, the main center, just like that. And this one the same as well, into the center of the bag. There. And then the smallest Bumpkins cases with notepad, stickers, Tylenol. Did I say utensils? Yeah, utensils, things like that. I'm gonna stick that into the side pocket for each of them. So I was able to get that in there okay. And even though I have a bottle on the outside, I still had room to slide that into the side pocket. And with the Azaria, same thing, the side pocket on the inside. It slid into that pouch, no problem. Again, even with a bottle on the outside, I still had room on the inside to fit that in. Spare change of clothes. I'm gonna put this in the front mesh pocket. The one large mesh pocket in the front of Azaria. Just like that. Now with the Fawn, I'm gonna actually slip that in the back slip pocket, the one that's similar to this one. That's where my spare change of clothes will go. Just like that. And my tissues and hand sanitizer, I am going to put that in the front slip pocket right there. That wasn't tight at all. Very easy to slip in. I do find them to be functional, even though it is faux leather. Same thing with the other side, tissues and hand sanitizer. I'm actually gonna slip that onto this side slip pocket because the front one was using the clothes. Okay, so all that's left are just a few extras. I have glasses, snack for myself, and an extra baggie. And I am going to stick that on the right side. Slip pocket, slide that in with my snack. And that baggie, I'm actually going to put in that zippered pocket back there. So everything's in there. Nothing was a struggle. It wasn't tight. It was really easy to get into the Fawn Design. So snack, glasses. I'm actually going to put that in this back zipper here. Really nice, really big, extra zip pocket back there. And the extra baggie will also go in there as well. And there is still more room to put anything else that I want in there. And that is it. They are both packed up. There's the Fawn. And there is the Azaria bag. And as you guys can see at the top there, there's still extra room to fit anything else you might want. So jacket, cardigan, a small blanket, extra toys, anything at all. It still has a lot of room in both. I do think the Fawn is just a little bit bigger and just a hair heavier than this one. The side pockets on the Fawn Design, I feel like they're a little bit bigger than what they used to be, but the Azaria brand side bottle pockets are more functional to me. They are a lot roomier, easier to get in and out of. When I wear these both on my back and I reach around to put my phone in the side pocket, it's a lot easier to just slip anything, whether it was a bottle or a phone. It was easier to slip into this pocket just because of the way it's cut, the way it's angled, the more room it has. This one was a little bit of a struggle. When I wore it on my back and tried to slide anything in this side pocket, it was a little bit more of a struggle. So this one is a little bit easier to use. Which one do I prefer? I don't personally prefer one over the other. I do love them both a lot. And I have, you know, 2 full-size Fawns. I have 2 of the Azaria brand bags. I like them both. I love them both a lot. So I can't make that call for myself. But if you wanted a recommendation, I would have to recommend the Azaria brand. And I'm not just saying that because I am affiliated with them, you know, from one mom to another mom. This one is just more functional. It's easier to use. The mesh pockets are nice. The bottle pockets, you know, I can't recommend something that isn't easier for us moms. Let's be honest. And this bag here is $140. This one is $160. But I do want to mention, if you were interested in the Azaria black bags, those are $150. And the camel, the chestnut shade, and the stone colored, the rest of those are $140. So these are a little bit less expensive, and you just get, you know, larger pockets, a lot more storage, functional storage, and the side bottle pockets are just roomier, easier to use. And also the back side, you have the grab handle, easy to grab this bag, and the slip pocket as well. Really nice extra there. And the fact that the backpack straps are removable and you can slip them in there if you didn't want to use them that way. So it honestly hurts me to say that because I love them both so much. But if I had to pick one for a mom, I would go with this one. So that is it, you guys. I hope this helped just a little bit. You know, they are really close. And if you guys were interested in shopping this bag or interested in shopping the new colors they have coming out, I would really love and appreciate it if you guys shopped with me. I will leave my affiliate link down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.